Here is how to remove your Google account from other devices. So let's get started. First, on your phone, come to your browser and then search for myaccount.google.com. Search for this and you reach this page. Then select the account that you'd want to log out from other devices. So click on your profile picture on the top right. And here you can select your Google account. After that, just click on Security and Sign In. Then here scroll down. And you'll see this option, Your Devices. So just click on Manage All Devices. And here we can see all of the devices which we've been signed into in the last 28 days with this account. So here you have all information like the date, the location, and the device. And now let's say you want to sign out from some device. So first you can scroll through this list and find the device that you'd want to sign out from. So if I want to sign out from this device, I'll click on it, enter your password once, and now click on Sign Out. It's this option. Select Sign Out. And now it's done. As you can see, below the device, it's showing Signed Out. The same way, you can do this for other devices. This is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.